I knit my Colorwork swatches as tubes in the round, and then I just cut them open. So I'm just going to show you right now how I do the cutting. If I'm knitting a swatch, I actually don't usually bother with reinforcing anything. If I was practicing and didn't know how to steek in the first place, I would definitely practice the steeking reinforcement method. Or if I was knitting with a new yarn and I didn't know exactly how it was going to behave, I would definitely practice my steeking reinforcement method. But because this is just a swatch, I would not do any of those things, and I just cut it open, and that's sort of along the cast on bind off edge or line there. Not the cast on bind off, so like where the beginning and the end of the round were. That's what I meant. So it's cut open. There's the inside, there's the outside. This is a superwash sock yarn, so it's not super secure. There you can see it's kind of coming out a bit, but I don't mind that. It's a swatch, it'll do. And then I will block it, because you can see how much it wants to just curl. So I'll block it and I will pin it.